Hello everyone, today I am with a new lesson and we are gonna discuss the most common words which are mispronounced by the people. First word is pronunciation, which is oftenly mispronounced by the people like pronunciation, but the correct word is pronunciation. It's not pronunciation like noun parts of speech, but it's a pronunciation. We have to divide this word in four parts. Pronunciation. Here the word is pronunciation, none, not noun like parts of speech. So the correct usage of the word is pronunciation, not pronunciation. The second word is heart, which the main organ of the body which pumps the blood. But we have observed in people it is often mispronounced like hurt. Hurt is something else. It has another meaning, like when you inflict or torture someone feelings or emotions, the word is used hurt. But the main organ of the body which we have, it's heart, not hurt. The next word is forget, which is a verb. Its past form is forgot and participle is forgotten. But we have observed commonly the most people mispronounce it like forget, but the correct pronunciation of the word is forget. The next word is electricity, but it's commonly mispronounced by the people like electricity or electricity, but the correct usage of the word is electricity. You will have to put stress on the last syllable, electricity. The next word is adjective, which is mostly mispronounced like adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies or adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. It's also called a modifier or qualifier. So the correct pronunciation is adjective, not adjective. You will have to delete D here. It's going to be silent. Now we are gonna move to the next word, which is adjust, but we have often seen its mispronunciation by the people like adjust. But the correct pronunciation of the word is adjust, and its meaning is to put something in order, to arrange something. Now we have three words in a row that are oftenly mispronounced: adjust, adjustment, and adjacent. But the people mispronounce these words like adjust, adjustment, and adjacent. The next word is career, which is often mispronounced by the people career. Career has the meaning of future. When you talk about the career of something, you are gonna talk about the future plannings. The mispronunciation of the word is carrier. Carrier has another meaning which carries something, but career refers to future. Let's proceed to the next word. It's breakfast, which you have early in the morning at the crest of dawn when you wake up from your bed, and the first work you are gonna do is breakfast. But we have commonly observed this word is oftenly mispronounced like breakfast, but the correct pronunciation of the word is breakfast. The next word is preparation, which is oftenly mispronounced by the people like preparation, but the correct pronunciation of the word is preparation, not preparation. Let's proceed to another word, which is comfortable, which is oftenly mispronounced like comfortable, but the correct pronunciation of the word is comfortable, and its meaning is calmness, tranquility, and peace of mind. The next word is monk, which is mispronounced like monk, but the correct pronunciation of the word is monk. It is type of a person who is spiritual and aloofs himself from the worldly affairs and leads a separate life. Next word is bury, which is oftenly mispronounced like bury. When someone dies and we dig a grave and put the man under the ground. Correct pronunciation of the word is bury, not bury. We have another word called vehicle, but it's often mispronounced like vehicle, or something like that. Vehicle is a means of transportation like plane, train, bus, etc. Let's proceed to the next word, which is Wednesday, but we have observed commonly in people mispronounce it like Wednesday, but the correct pronunciation of the word is Wednesday. The next word is Saturday, which is oftenly mispronounced like Saturday, but the correct pronunciation of the word is Saturday. It's ta sound here, not the cha. You will have to pronounce it like Saturday, not Saturday. I'm pretty sure you will be quite familiar with a lung disorder which is called asthma, but the people mispronounce it like asthma, but the correct pronunciation is asthma. You are not going to pronounce the word th as tha. Here th is silent, it's not going to pronounce. The correct word is asthma. Next word in the list is vegetable. We have commonly observed people mispronounce it vegetable or vegetable, but the correct pronunciation of the word is vegetable. Following the list of these words, we have a word called epitome, but the mispronunciation of the word you can observe is epitome, epitome, or epitome, but the correct pronunciation of the word is epitome, which means the finest or the excellent example of something. Democracy is the next word in the list, which is mispronounced like democracy, but the correct pronunciation of the word is democracy, which is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Moving to the next word, it's photography, which is mispronounced by the most people like photography or photography, but the correct pronunciation of the word is photography, which is the art of taking pictures. It's an age of social media, and you have commonly observed that when someone shares his or her content on social media like Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram in the form of videos, audios, pictures, you express your views, ideas, or thoughts and write something. The word which is used here, it is comment, not comment. When you express your idea, you are writing a comment, not comment. So the correct pronunciation of the word is comment, not comment. We have a list of common words where B is totally silent, but we mispronounce it like plumber, but we mispronounce it plumber. Climb, the correct pronunciation of the word is climb. Tomb, the correct pronunciation is tomb. Comb, the correct pronunciation is comb. Thumb, but the correct word is thumb. B is not going to pronounce here. Another word in this list is debt, which is oftenly mispronounced like debt. Here B is not going to pronounce, you will have to pronounce the word is debt.